Welcome to this quick guide on how to enable email notifications for Reels on Facebook Web right from your PC. If you want to stay in the loop about new Reels without checking the app constantly, this video is for you. First, open Facebook on your web browser and sign in with your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile photo. This opens a small menu with quick access to your account settings and details. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This takes you to a broader set of options for managing your account. In this area, click Settings again to access the full detailed settings panel. In the left sidebar, you'll find a list of categories. Look for notifications and click it. This is where Facebook centralizes all the ways you can be alerted about activity on the platform. Now you'll see various tabs and sections for different notification types. Scroll through until you reach Reels. This section specifically controls alerts related to Reels activity and updates. Under Reels, you'll find options for how you want to receive updates. Turn on the toggle or select the option that enables email notifications. By activating this, Facebook will send you emails about new Reels, updates, or relevant activity tied to Reels, depending on your other notification preferences. If you want to fine-tune further, you can explore additional related options in the same notifications area. You can adjust whether emails come from specific activities, like new Reels from people that you follow or general updates, and you can balance this with push notifications or in-app alerts to suit your workflow. That's all there is to it. You've now set up email notifications for Reels on Facebook Web, so you won't miss out on entertaining or trending content while you're browsing from your computer.